Alright guys, welcome back to Monkey Craft. It's time to pick the grand prize winner for my promotional giveaway for my YouTube channel, Monkey Craft. Let's go on the computer. We'll randomly select the grand prize winner, which by the way is for the Century Carbon printer, brand new, shipped to you. Let's go. Alright guys, let's pick the grand prize winner here. We're gonna hit start. You guys ready? Good luck. All right, it's Richard G. He's the lucky winner. All right, so we have our grand prize winner for the Century Carbon printer. That is Richard G. Now, Richard, you have 7 days to contact me via my email that's in the video and claim your prize. Good luck. Happy printing, guys. Thanks to everyone who participated in the giveaway. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done already, like and subscribe below for more giveaways in the future.